Hello class, welcome to the online teaching classes of St. Thomas High School, Mahuba. Today, I Richa Tr am here to further continue with the subject of social science for the students of class 8th. My dear students, in the last lecture, we discussed about how much carbon gases are released in the environment and which harms the environment. Today, we are going to see that which gases mainly influence the degradation of environment. Degradation means destruction. Let's see methane. The formula of methane is CH4. The massive increase in methane proportion from 315 parts per million in the year 1750 to 1764 ppm in the year 2005 was due to the reasons listed below. Exhaling of animals and metabolism process, the release of methane is 14 crore tons. Paddy cultivation, the crop of paddy which is cultivated releases 15 crore tons of methane. Decomposition of biodegradable waste, that means the waste which is biodegradable, that means which can be easily destroyed by the environment, is which releases 7 crore tons of methane. The next comes is nitrous oxide. The proportion of nitrous oxide has increased from 270 parts per million to recent 319 parts per million. The very next comes chlorofluorocarbon. Due to the use of foam, plastic, refrigerators, AC, circuit aerosol spray, the minute particles have the size ranging of 1 micron to 10 micron is known as aerosol, etc. There has been an increase in CFC. So due to the increase of the use of refrigerator, AC and circuit aerosol spray, that means the minute particles which has the size of 1 to 10 micron is known as aerosol. So the circuit of aerosol spray, etc., there has been continuous increase in CFC, that is chlorofluorocarbon. So the effects of global warming. The changes are observed in the growth and development of vegetation. Certain species, certain types of vegetables are not available these days. These changes are observed due to the effects of global warming. Certain species of birds are now disappearing, such as sparrows and vultures. 2000 glaciers of Himalayas have receded or melted. So due to the global warming, many types of species of birds, for example, it is given here sparrows and vultures. That means nowadays sparrows and vultures are found in a very less amount. And 2000 glaciers, that means the top of or the peak of the mountain having snow of Himalayas have been melted. There is a gradual changes observed in glaciers, that means there has been a continuous melting of glaciers in Himalayas. There has been an increase in the natural calamities like famine, cyclone, excessive rain and floods in the last 10 years. The amount of the natural calamities, the natural disasters such as famine, cyclone has also been increasing. The places receiving heavy rainfall are now experiencing less rainfall. Rajasthan and Dubai experienced heavy rainfall and there is scanty rainfall in Cherrapunji. In Cherrapunji, the amount of the forest area is high, and in Rajasthan and Dubai, those areas are having deserts. That means the temperature over there is very high. That means with heat. So these places are nowadays experiencing high rainfall, and the place which is covered with forest, that is Cherrapunji, is receiving less rainfall. The production of pulses has gone down. The level of groundwater has decreased. The amount of groundwater is also decreasing. The melting of glaciers has increased the water level in ocean. This has aggravated the erosion of coastline. That means the amount of the water in the ocean is increasing due to the melting of glaciers, and hence due to this the coastline is getting eroded. The human beings with fall victims to dehydration and malnutrition due to the increase in temperature. That means the health of the human beings, they often face dehydration and malnutrition, that means lack of nutrition. There will be the changes. There will be changes in the cycle of season. The characteristics of summer and winter seasons will change. So here we experienced this even this year, like during the month of September or August also we were experiencing high amount of heat effects of summer season. Later we received rainfall, but then too, after the change of the season, we cannot feel the same temperature. We cannot feel the change in the temperature. The salinity of the soil, that means the amount of salt of the soil in Gujarat, will increase due to the increase of 25 centimeter in the sea level. That means with the increase in the sea level, the amount of the saltiness of the soil will also increase. There is a marked decline in the agriculture production. That means the agricultural production is getting decreased day by day. The frequency of diseases like cholera, dengue, malaria, yellow fever, that is jaundice, swine flu, etc. has increased. The area near the coast of Maldives, Bangladesh, Philippines, West Indies and Australia have submerged. That means the area of the coastline has been increasing day by day. According to the institution named Greenpeace, approximately 55 lakh people living in Gujarat will have to migrate in the year 2100 century era. That means due to the increase in the water level, the institution named Greenpeace is estimating that approximate 55 lakh people, those who are right now living on the coastal areas, have to migrate to other places because those areas will be submerged in water. The flowers are losing their fragrance due to global warming and beehives are disappearing fast. So here are the effects of global warming. The factors increasing the temperature on the global warming. We can see here the photos: refrigerators, air conditioning, industries, etc. So dear students, here we are at the end of this video. Do stay tuned for the very next class. We will be completing this chapter in the next class. Thank you and have a nice day.